Hygienic dishwashing is always important, however, especially so in the care sector. We show you which steps are essential from loading the dishwasher to removing the clean dishes so that your dishes are always hygienically clean. Remove large food residues from the dishes and place them in the designated holders. The dishes should not be too close together. Also, stacking on top of each other should be avoided to ensure that the rinse water reaches all areas reliably. Arrange the dishes so that the spray arms can rotate freely. Dishwater collects in hollows and depressions. Place the dishes so that dishwater can flow off at any time for reliable drying. Openings should always be directed downwards. And remember, light items belong at the top. Make sure small parts are secured so they don't move around in the dishwasher. Place heavy items securely in the lower basket. The cutlery should not overlap. Choose the appropriate program based on the dishes and the level of dirt. Additionally, during times of increased infection rates, it is recommended to use a program with higher temperatures and longer holding times. After the program finishes, the door should be opened as quickly as possible to aid the drying process. This can be done manually or, if available, using the automatic auto-open function. Wash and dry your hands thoroughly before removing clean dishes. This prevents contamination. Do not stack wet dishes. If necessary, dry the dishes manually with a clean, dry cloth. Pay special attention to plastic parts. Regularly clean the filters and spray arms with warm water to prevent odors and ensure optimal cleaning results. Cleaning agents, rinse aid, and salt are important for optimal cleaning results. Remember to refill the products when a shortage is indicated on the display. Hygienic dishwashing with Miele, always on the clean side.